Want to take your car to the next level? Don't miss out on the best car accessories we'll show you in this video. We start with the WS Roller Spinner, an excellent solution when you can't start the engine or release the brakes. These tire-shaped discs easily attach to the wheel hubs and allow for quick vehicle movement, handy for mechanics, emergency personnel, and other users. Each disc can support up to 150 kilograms and allows movement on various surfaces such as asphalt, grass, and even gravel, reaching speeds of up to 8 kilometers per hour. And speaking of surprising accessories, don't miss the next invention that'll take your car to a whole new level. The creators of MirrorEye offer to replace truck mirrors with a camera system. They claim that MirrorEye increases safety while driving and can save fuel by assisting the driver in maneuvering. The view through MirrorEye surpasses that of Class 2 and 5 mirrors and is displayed in high definition on 12-inch monitors. Drivers will find the panoramic view particularly useful for challenging reverse maneuvers. In prototypes like the Renault Morphos, cameras are the standard choice over mirrors. Do you think this could become a new trend? What is undoubtedly a trend is the next invention for your car. Here's another addition to the bed liners designed specifically for owners of the 2020 Jeep Gladiator and newer models. Now you can have a sturdy steel cargo rack that holds up to 68 kilograms. The carrier mounts without drilling, and its smart design allows you to carry a variety of items, from toolboxes to bicycles. This handy product is available for $667. Founded in 2010, British company Laser Lamps has become the preferred choice for lighting at events such as the World Endurance Championship and the Dakar Rally. A standout example of Laser Lamps' work is the Linear series, which features a combination of yellow and white LEDs. The Linear 18 Elite Plus model provides approximately 14,850 lumens of brightness when used in combo mode, giving drivers excellent visibility even in snowy, foggy, and dusty conditions. You can buy the R18 Elite Plus line for $677. You know it would go great with these LED lights? Without a doubt, the next invention is essential to your safety. The Real Quick hitch is designed for quick and secure trailer attachment. With Real Quick, the hitch ball extends backwards and easily adjusts to the correct position. The last step is to insert the locking pin and you're done. The original model is rated up to 2,721 kilograms, while the HD version is rated up to 4,536 kilograms and costs $400. It can certainly save you from a bad experience, but when it comes to safety, you should see the next accessory that'll take your car to another level. To improve safety and reduce the risk of accidents, many car manufacturers include blind spot detectors as standard equipment. However, if your car is older or lacks this technology, BlindSafe comes to the rescue. This blind spot detector features easy installation and integrated solar panels. Its operation is simple. A diode lights up when a car enters your blind spot. The company plans to sell them for $50 each. This compressor is a handy tool for off-road enthusiasts. It allows you to inflate all 4 tires at once in less than 10 minutes and provides up to 10 bars of pressure. It can be connected directly to the battery with the included jumper cables. The cables and a carrying bag for the compressor are available for $168. But if budget is a concern, why not take a look at the next invention? How about adding a hidden fridge to your Tesla? For $70, it offers a 15-liter capacity, enough for 20 cans of soda, similar to a standard refrigerator. It also includes a freezer with a temperature that can go as low as -5 degrees Celsius. Note that this refrigerator is compatible with the 2019 Model Y and newer versions. Now let's cross the ocean to see the most incredible technological advancements you can't afford to miss. According to the creators of RockX, 15,000 cars catch fire in Germany every year. This fire extinguisher can save your beloved car and prevent it from turning into a pile of rubble. It's installed in the engine compartment and works automatically. The standard version is loaded with 200 grams of extinguishing agent. Once activated, it releases a spray that extinguishes the fire in seconds and can easily be rinsed with water. Incredible, right? This can help you in the toughest moments on the road. But if you're a Jeep user, the next invention is for you. It seems that some Jeep owners are willing to buy anything, as if explaining that this footrest has a $179 price tag wasn't enough. Yes, it allows you to put your foot 28 centimeters lower, and it's easy to remove when you're off-roading. But for comparison, a Chinese company called Chengli once offered electric cars for $900. Tidy Ride is like a doormat, but for your car. It allows you to quickly remove sand, snow, and dirt from your shoes before entering your vehicle. This keeps your car mats cleaner and reduces the need to wash them frequently. Tidy Ride only takes a few minutes to install and requires about 2.5 centimeters of space between the seat and the closed door. Tidy Ride is available for $11. Something really economical. It may be cheaper than the next invention, but what you're about to see will take the adventure experience to another level. Hitchfire offers a variety of options for vehicle owners interested in outdoor cooking. Earlier this year, they introduced a compact kitchen based on a patented swivel arm that can support 57 kilograms. On this arm, Hitchfire has installed a burner, sink, cooking area, and small shelves. The basic version of this mini kitchen costs $850. If you're worried about where to store this incredible invention, the next accessory will come in handy. The decked system significantly enhances the storage and organization of a truck's cargo bed. It supports up to 907 kilograms of load without any restrictions. Buyers can also benefit from a lifetime warranty ensuring reliability. You can purchase the decked system for the Ford F-150 at a price of $1,650. Many trucks are quite powerful and can be used as towing vehicles without any issues, especially when equipped with the Little Hercules lifting system. However, this requires a significant overhaul of the frame and suspension. Nevertheless, it has the capacity to lift up to 2,268 kilograms and tow double that, reaching up to 4,536 kilograms. Are you a Tesla user and don't have a way to bring your pet along? Don't miss the next gadget for your car that'll give it that pet-friendly touch. Dogbox is designed for Tesla Model 3 drivers who want to take their dogs for a walk. This portable system folds comfortably, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Mounting and dismounting are done in a matter of seconds and without tools. You can choose from 4 different sizes. The Dogbox XL is even suitable for a Labrador. The Dogbox set, along with a pillow, is available for $87. Amazing, right? But even more amazing is the next gadget that will blow your mind. Hook it up, load it up, and roll it, say the creators of the Hitch and Go cart. You can easily transport up to 159 kilograms. The Hitch and Go can be quickly detached from the vehicle, and its compact size makes it easy to fit through any door. Its 13-inch pneumatic wheels provide stability on both pavement and sand. All in all, it's a great product. The creators have secured a patent and offer the Hitch and Go for $747. The lock rack system is truly amazing. It makes it easy to load and unload a kayak, paddleboard, surfboard, and other gear from the roof of your vehicle without any additional assistance. It also withstands high winds during transport. Compatible with most cars, it's built to last. For example, the arm adjustment pin can withstand up to 800 kilograms. You can purchase the lock rack for 2 paddleboards for $356. Got it? The best vehicle innovations are about to be unveiled. Some lucky car owners have a handy accessory, a spare tire light. Available for $7, is it worth the investment for 135 diodes, RGB adjustment, and a remote that reaches over 30 meters? We want to hear your thoughts in the comments. And for those long, boring drives, the next invention will be invaluable. Not only will it keep you awake, but it'll also help you make extra money. DVC offers taxi drivers and private drivers a unique way to boost their earnings. This 51 by 27 centimeter coffee maker attaches to the front seat's backrest and has the capacity to brew 10 cups of coffee on a single charge. Mass production of the DVC will start in March, with plans to add new recipes in the future. The cost of the DVC is $10. Now get ready for the final highlighted invention for your vehicle of the day. Finally, this video takes a closer look at the torque reaction arm kit. It addresses challenges such as axle misalignment and thermal shifts in certain components. Some owners are not satisfied with the stock torque arm. This is where kits like the Moser M9 F-body become essential, offering an efficient alternative to upgrading original components that may have a limited lifespan.